on. So today I am unboxing the larger. I have recently just unboxed the little one, but I am unboxing the larger Technic advent calendar. This is the larger one. This one is actually £45. So for Technic makeup, it's quite up there in price. But I have unboxed this last year and I loved it. It was one of my favourite advent calendars. All items are full size. Basically, well, they were last year. I don't know about this year. This is the design. It comes in a box. I have bought this from the Technic website, but at the minute it's currently sold out, but it is saying it's restocking. But wherever I can find it, I will link it down below. But I paid £45 for this advent calendar, and we're just going to unbox it anyways. This works out about £1.87 a day. Yeah, so we'll see whether we think the items in this are worth £1.87, £1.80, £1.90. It's basically £1.87 a day. We're going to see whether they're worth it. Anyway, so we want day number 1, which is, yeah, if I remember rightly, I really liked this advent calendar last year. That is going to do that all the time. So the first thing we've got is the Single Mingles eyeshadow. So this is an eyeshadow duo, and you get 2 eyeshadows, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's really quite pretty. Definitely probably not something that I personally would wear, but it is nice and it's like massive. So we want day number 2, which is this one here. We have got, let's have a look, looking like a mascara or a tube of something. Oh no, it's a cashmere matte lip cream, and that is what that looks like there. I just wouldn't really personally wear something like this now, but I can see where they're coming from. They're looking like they're being very much like Kylie Cosmetics. So that was day number 2. We want day number 3, which is up here. Another thing in a tube. This is a squeezy tube though. Right, we have got their Intense Lash Mascara. This is got jojoba oil in. I love the packaging on this mascara. It's so cute, and I will have a picture hopefully at the side of the wand for you. I'm not going to open it because it'll dry out. So that was 3. We want day number 4, which is here. What have we got here? We have got a brow oil. This is a nourishing brow oil. Let's have a look at this then. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm all about having something that will help my eyebrows grow. It's on a roller ball. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that on a roller ball. It says it contains sweet almond oil. So yeah, anyone tried that? Let me know, because I'm all about trying to bring my eyebrows back. That is 4. We want day number 5, which is here. We have got something in a pencil shade. It's feeling quite heavy, like quite heavy. This is the Technic gel eyeliner in the shade black, I'm assuming. Yeah, black. I wish we would get like a brown sometimes. You never know, we might get a brown. And that is day number 5. We want day number 6, which is here. We have got a red lipstick. It says it's got with added vitamin E in. I'm just trying to see whether it's matte or not. It's in the shade Heartbeat. Doesn't say whether it's a matte lipstick or not. You see, I'm all about a matte red lip, but this is it here. Love that we're getting a red because it is Christmas. That was day number 6. Is that right? 6. We want day number 7, which is up here. We are getting something that looks quite exciting. Whether that is or not, I don't know. This is the Eye Brightening Boost. I'm quite excited about that, you know. I'm into trying skincare from more budget brands. I just love trying new stuff. That's 7. We want day number 8, which is down here. What have we got? We've got something large and square again. We have got the Single Mingles, another eyeshadow, and it is an eyeshadow duo, and this is it. I'm not sure I like these, if I'm being honest. Is this new? Are these new, these Single Mingle eyeshadows? I hope that is our last one of them, to be honest. I'd probably have a little quad or something than that. Personally, that's 8. We want day number 9, which is here. Right, we have got the Define and Highlight Kit. So this is a full size, like proper little contour kit. I like that. I feel like this is some very usable product. I think that's nice. I feel like, yeah, I like that. I'm not mad at that. That's 9. We want 10, which is here. We have got the eye canvas. It's an eyeshadow base. Comes in its little box as well. That was 10. We want day number 11. It's still up here. We have got the liquid liner. I feel like I've used this a long time ago and I liked it when I wore eyeliner, but I'm not a eyeliner wearer now. That was 11. We want day number 12, which is on the bottom. Another big square product. We have got the One for All colour correction palette. I feel like anyone could use these. I feel like they always come in handy. I always think to myself, oh, I wish I had a colour correction palette. And then they gave us one. I quite like that. I think that's a good deal for £1.80. I'm not going to complain at that. So on day number 13, we have got the Pore Perfect Primer. So it's like a putty primer, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. That's definitely a product I've not seen before. I'm quite excited about that. Yeah, definitely. That was 13. We want day number 14 up here. We've got a skinny item. We have got a eye opener retractable eyeliner pencil. So it's like a nude eye pencil and it's supposed to make your eyes look more awake and more open and things like that. So yeah, we have got that. We want day number 15, which is here. We've got another one of these Single Mingle eyeshadows. And this is what it looks like. My phone, it's just got a text or a notification. And that is that one there. That's day number 16, which is here. We have got the clear brow gel. I got this last time. It's really quite nice. I'm still using it. Yeah, so I'm not going to complain about that. It's quite a nice little clear brow gel. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So that's 16. We're on to day number 17, which is here. We have got something that's a tube. We have got the bronzing tint gel bronzer. This looks quite scary to me. This looks so scary actually, like really quite scary. It's 10ml, but I bet you it's dead nice because I actually have a couple like cream bronzers that are like that and I do like them, but when you first try them, like, oh, I'm a bit nervous about that. That's 17. On day number 18, which is here. We have got the Technic Skinny Brown Mascara. This is really nice too. I've got it here, so I'll show you it. Yeah, It's just a normal one, but it's just like a nice natural everyday mascara because it's a brown mascara. It's really, really nice. I can't remember what day we were on though. I've lost my train of thought. I think we were on 18. We want day number 9. So we want day number 19 because we were on 18. Oh, I think it's another one of these single mingle eyeshadows it is. Another single mingle eyeshadow. I'm not the biggest fan of these. I just don't like the way they are. I just rather have had a little palette in one of the doors and then had like maybe a couple of singles. I don't know. Or something else. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of them. Right, we want day number 20, which is here. It could be beautiful, but I know I would never use them because of the way they are. We got a lip liner and it is in the shade In the Buff. I feel like we got this last year too, but I have to go and have a look. I should have got all my stuff sorted. If I was organised, I would have done that. I'm not organised. We've got a lovely lip liner. I do quite like Technic lip liners. So that's 20. We want 21, which is here. Are you going to have another single mingle eyeshadow? It's not. It's another tube. And we have got a cheeky tint, or a cheek tint. It's a very pale pink. It's quite nice though. Another one that looks scary to use, but yeah. Cheek tint. That's 21. 22 is right near it. We have got, oh, I like the look of this. We have got the Water Gloss High Shine Lip Oil. I really like the look of this. Like, I think this looks really nice. I'm dead excited about that. I love stuff like that. 23, which is here. We have got a Fruity Roll-On Lip Gloss. We got like a banana-y one, I think, last time. Yeah. So cute and fun. I'm not the biggest fan of the roll-on applicator though, but fun. That was 23. So we're on my last day, which is 24. I really hope it's a good one. Like, I really hope it's a good one. Let's hope it's a good one. Right, let's have a feel. It feels like a palette of some sort. Are they redeeming themselves? We have got the Heat Is On 6 eyeshadow pan palette. I feel like this is kind of like a dupe of a certain eyeshadow palette. It is a very warm toned eyeshadow palette. Definitely like I am cool toned. It's definitely not my cup of tea, but I can see how many people would absolutely love this eyeshadow. I just like this eyeshadow palette. This sort of colour tone just doesn't suit me personally. But yeah, it's really nice, and I'm glad that we've actually got a eyeshadow palette. I think I'll probably end up keeping one of the single mingles, and then this one will probably go in my giveaway or something. I'll go somewhere. But yeah, that's definitely not my cup of tea, but I can see why somebody would like it. And I mean, it's a full size eyeshadow palette, and £1.80, remember, it's what the days are worth, £1.80. So yeah, that is the Technic advent calendar. This was £45. I honestly feel like I preferred last year's. If I'm being 100% honest, I feel like I definitely preferred last year's to this year's. I don't think it's bad when you're thinking of £1.80 per day. When you're breaking it up per day, it doesn't come across as bad. But I definitely preferred last year's. I actually think I even prefer the mini one this year to this one, personally. But I don't think it's a bad one. But it's whether the products inside are something you are interested in. So a lot of the products I'm not interested in. So in my eyes, it's not worth it for me. But I do really like Technic makeup items. I have a lot of Technic makeup. I love their brow pencil. I will do a Technic makeup at some point. I'm so sorry I've been saying this for so long. It will happen eventually. Yeah, but overall, it's an alright advent calendar, but I wouldn't like say you need it. it's whether you want it. Link it down below where it is available, but yeah, I'm just like on the fence on this one, to be honest. But yeah, it's not bad, but it's not amazing either, and it's 45, so it's not like it's nearly at 50 quid, you know. 50 quid's not to be sniffed at. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.